Vertical garden. Grow up, not out. Tired of limited garden space? Discover how to build your own stunning vertical garden and transform any wall into a lush, green paradise. Vertical gardens are a game changer for urban gardeners. They maximize space, adding beauty to balconies, patios, and even indoor walls. These gardens are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also offer practical benefits. They improve air quality, reduce noise, and can even insulate your home. Before you start, consider your space and sunlight. Choose a location that receives the right amount of light for your chosen plants. Think about the size and design of your vertical garden. Will it be a simple pallet garden, a modular system, or something more elaborate? Select plants that thrive in vertical environments. Consider their mature size, water needs, and sunlight requirements. Herbs like mint and thyme, leafy greens like lettuce and spinach, and strawberries are excellent choices. Succulents and trailing plants also work well. There are many ways to build a vertical garden. Pallet gardens are a popular and affordable option. Repurposed materials like plastic bottles, wooden crates, and even old shoes can be transformed into unique planters. Modular systems offer flexibility and ease of installation. These systems often come with built-in irrigation. Start by finding a clean, untreated pallet. Secure landscape fabric to the back and sides to create pockets for soil. Fill the pockets with a well-draining potting mix. Plant your chosen plants, ensuring they have enough space to grow. Water regularly and fertilize as needed. Pallet gardens are easy to customize and maintain. Cut plastic bottles in half and create drainage holes. Attach them to a wall or fence using rope or wire. Fill the bottles with potting mix and plant your chosen plants. This is a great way to recycle and create a unique garden. Bottle gardens are lightweight and easy to move. They're perfect for small spaces. Modular systems consist of interlocking panels or containers. These systems are easy to install and customize. They often include built-in irrigation systems, making watering a breeze. Modular systems are a great option for beginners. Choose a system that fits your space and budget. Consider the weight capacity of your wall or fence. Vertical gardens require regular watering. The soil in containers tends to dry out faster than in the ground. Install a drip irrigation system for efficient watering. This will save you time and ensure your plants get the water they need. Fertilize your plants regularly with a balanced fertilizer. Prune as needed to maintain their shape and encourage growth. Yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering or nutrient deficiency. Adjust your watering schedule and fertilize accordingly. Pests can be a problem in vertical gardens. Inspect your plants regularly and treat any infestations promptly. Ensure proper drainage to prevent root rot. Use a well-draining potting mix and avoid overwatering. Personalize your vertical garden with decorative elements. Add colorful pots, whimsical figurines, or even fairy lights. Incorporate different textures and colors to create visual interest. Mix and match plants with varying foliage and blooms. Let your creativity shine and create a vertical garden that reflects your personal style. Once your vertical garden is complete, sit back and enjoy the beauty and bounty it provides. Harvest fresh herbs and vegetables for your meals. Admire the vibrant colors and textures of your plants. Share your vertical garden with friends and neighbors. Inspire others to create their own green spaces. Transform your space and elevate your gardening game. Start planning your DIY vertical garden today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Like this video and share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Leave a comment below and tell us what plants you're planning to grow in your vertical garden.